Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Onion sauce is one of the most important flavorings in Hakka cuisine. Red onions are skinned and flattened before being sliced into tiny chunks. The onions are then fried in lard until they turn a golden color. After they cool off, they go in the fridge. Hakka onion sauce goes on almost anything, including soup, noodles, and on top of steamed vegetables.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Lin。自從你介紹一連串的一些這種東西，比如說雞醬，我也自己也試過了，覺得好好吃。應該還有其他的這種類似 sauces 啦，或者是一些 spices。
有啦，很多啦。我現在講的這個東西你一定吃過。
哦，是嗎？
那就是在半條底杯。一定會有的，
板條裡面啊，乾的還湯的都有嗎？
乾的湯都有啊，
都有啊，這麼重要啊？
是的，
油蔥嘛，
油蔥那叫香油
哦，香油 ，OK， 沒錯是油蔥嘛，對不對？
對，
油蔥醬
是油蔥去弄的。
啊 ，OK，that's right. This is actually very common, especially it's used in soups, it's used in noodles, it's used in when you steam your vegetables. You actually put a little bit on it. It's the onion sauce. 哦，那這個蔥油或油蔥應該是油蔥啦，對不對？對，是怎麼準備的？
哦，我們是把那個鳳蟲頭，鳳蟲頭把它切成小小塊的剁碎之後，用豬油去炸過，就加一點挑油在上面。你想，那又香又鹹。OK， 然後把它放冰箱裡頭。你要煮麵煮什麼東西的時候，通通可以加一瓢。多好吃啊，對不對？
That sounds extremely delicious. Actually, the onion by itself is already a very tasty ingredient. But what they do is they actually fry chopped onions in lard to really enhance the flavor, and then sometimes add a dash of soy sauce to it. 所以有这个酱油，又有猪油，那再加上红葱。哇，那真的很香，香喷喷的，香喷喷了，对不对？
沒錯嘞。
Okay, so let's go ahead and review these terms. Next time you can use this ingredient in, again, some of your noodles, your soups, or on top of steamed vegetables. It's the 油蔥醬，
香油
which is prepared by red onions, 要有紅蔥頭，
鳳蟲頭
and fried in 豬油 or lard.
豬
油 and sometimes add a bit of 醬油 soy sauce
挑
油 and that makes a very very nice sauce that you can add to your dishes next time, so try it out. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家
俺只是張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.